Hello everyone, this is Sanuta. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I create content on productivity, self-improvement and lifestyle. So make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you're interested in any of these. So you know that as humans, it's normal that we all feel super stressed and worried sometimes. And while sometimes we know what's exactly making us feel very stressed or worried, there are also times where we don't know what's exactly making us feel that way. But still we end up feeling very stressed or worried. And that is totally okay because stress is sometimes like a black cloud that we can't escape. But what matters is how you bring yourself out of that stress zone and make yourself feel better. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some journal prompts that will definitely help you relieve stress. So grab a book and a pen and write down all these journal prompts so that the next time you're stressed or worried, you can definitely try to attempt these. But before we get started, I would like to let you know that even if you don't want to attempt these journal prompts when you're stressed, all I want you to do is do a brain dump and write everything that comes to your mind because that is going to be super helpful as well. And now let's get started with the journal prompts. So the first thing that you need to do is to ask yourself about your worries. Yes, ask yourself like you would ask your best friend and know what's actually bothering you and what's actually making you feel stressed or worried. Is it because that you had a hectic day, or is it because that you were supposed to get things done but you didn't? It could be for different reasons. Just know what is bothering you and what is making you feel stressed and worried. It could be anything, it could even be something that's bothering you since a long time but it's just starting to burst out altogether now. It might be anything. Just be nice to yourself and try to find out what's actually bothering you, what's making you feel this way, because you don't always feel this way, right? So just talk to yourself like you would talk to your best friend and know what's actually bothering you, because knowing the reason in the first place is very important. And the second one is, how do I solve this problem? Yes, once you know what's actually bothering you and what's making you feel stressed or worried, think about how you can actually fix it. You might not always come up with the perfect solution for what's troubling you, but you can always try to come up with some mini solutions and answers to avoid those stressors in the future. For example, if working for long hours is what's troubling you and it's stressing you out, try to plan to take more breaks during your work hours, because taking breaks is definitely going to help you to manage your work mentally. Or if you're being unhappy about your job and that's what's troubling you and stressing you out, try to take small steps towards changing, either by finding love in what you do, or either by finding a new job entirely. The reason and the solution could be anything. Just know what might help you to get rid of these stresses the next time. And the third one is, what are some accomplishments and victories that I made today? Yes, sometimes when we feel stressed over something, it often takes off our mood entirely and we fail to look at the positive side of the day. So instead, sit down and think about all the accomplishments or victories that you did today before you got stressed or worried, before you got into this mood. Think about what are some achievements that you did today or even this week. It could be a big achievement or even a small one, doesn't matter. You might have woken up early, or you might have consistently exercised this week, or you might have even been productive this day or this whole week. Doesn't matter how small. When you take time to look at these small achievements or victories that you did along the week or today, it helps you to realize that you are much more than what you're going through, and it also makes you feel proud and positive. And the fourth one is to write about all the places in your body that is feeling tension. Yes, you might be like, why would I even do this? But the thing is, when you're feeling stressed or worried, it often affects your physical body. Stressing out too much or worrying too much often badly affects your physical health. Sometimes when you're feeling stressed or worried, you start to experience physical symptoms like headache, chest pain, or stomach upset. So whenever you're feeling stressed, just sit down and write about all the parts or places in your body that is feeling tension at the moment. It could be your head that is aching, or it could be your heart that is beating faster than usual, or it could even be your stomach that feels upset. Just write it down, because when you write down all your tension or pain that you're going through on a piece of paper, you're slowly and gradually releasing all your pain into that piece of paper without even realizing that. You know what I mean? It's like you're slowly getting rid of all the pain and tension, by letting it out or releasing it on that piece of paper. And once you know the disturbance that is happening in your body, you can also try to look at the positive side and look at the parts of your body which is feeling relaxed or which is doing healthy. You can write about all the areas in your body that is feeling relaxed and be grateful for the health and peace in those parts of the body. And the fifth one is, what am I grateful for? Yes, gratitude is one of the most effective tools to reduce stress, because when you practice gratitude, it instantly enhances your mood and it helps you feel positive and happy from the inside. You know that our body and mind aren't at their best state when you're feeling stressed or worried. But when you express your gratitude by writing down things you're grateful for, our brain releases serotonin and dopamine, which are two neurotransmitters that makes you feel good. Practicing gratitude also helps you fight the negative thoughts and replace them with positive and optimistic ones. Moreover, practicing gratitude when you feel stressed is not just helpful in the short run, but it is also helpful in the long term. Because when you practice gratitude regularly, it gives you the ability to maintain a positive attitude regardless of what's happening around you and appreciate the good, which makes you happy. And the sixth one is, if you could be in a place or scenario right now for your comfort or relaxation, where would it be? Imagine and describe. Yes, just try to choose a place or scenario you would like to place yourself in for relaxation. Think about where it might be. It could be any place you like, beach, valley, amid the forest, or on a houseboat, anything and anywhere basically. Just imagine yourself to be in your favorite place where you feel happiest, where you feel the most relaxed, and try to describe it and try to be in detail as possible. For example, beach is your favorite place and you feel very relaxed and happy there. Try to be as in detail as possible. Where are you? What are you doing? Whom are you with? Or how is the sound of the waves hitting the shore? Describe all these little things in detail, because when you describe your happy place, it makes you feel happy without even you realize it. Make sure to imagine everything in detail and make sure to imagine everything in a way that makes you happy. Visualization helps you to relieve stress and unwind, because when you visualize, your mind's attention goes to more calming and serene images as you're visualizing it. And the seventh one is, irrespective of the current situation, what can I learn from this? Yes, looking at the positive side of things can definitely help you reduce stress and feel much better about yourself. It's definitely not always easy to feel positive even during difficult circumstances or when you're feeling stressed, but it is very helpful to look at the positive side of things, because having a positive outlook on situations enable you to cope up with stressful situations, which reduces the harmful effect of stress on your body. It also helps you to improve your overall well-being. Thinking positively and learning from the situation also makes you feel happy and healthier. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you liked this video and found these journal prompts helpful. Try attempting these journal prompts the next time you feel stressed and let me know how you feel. Also share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.